Alright, let's burn some fat. Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On The Cheap Tip, and today is
Suck It Up Sunday.
A day where I give you fitness and diet tips. Now, not too long ago, I did a video on foods that help to get rid of visceral fat, aka belly fat. And if you haven't seen that video, well, what are you waiting for? Click above and check it out. And then come right back to this video and watch, because I have more to say. Now, among the foods that I mentioned in that video, garlic was one of them. Garlic is known to have a direct link to belly fat and helping you to get rid of it. I don't know why I just said that twice, but I guess I did. What else? And I also had mentioned that you can make a garlic tea, which you guys seem to really want to know how to make. So today I decided to do it. And it couldn't come at a better time. I mean, Valentine's just passed and we're eating a lot of chocolate. I personally went through maybe a bag of mini Snickers in like a night. It was a big bag. Don't judge me. So why don't we literally just cut the fat and go make this tea. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is garlic, of course. That's what we just said. We're making a garlic tea. I mean, duh. And all you're going to do is take a few cloves of garlic and take the side of your knife and just crush it down like Top Chef style. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I like to pretend. Then you're going to place your garlic cloves into a mug. And I'm putting my cloves into this loose tea strainer. If you don't have one of these, that's fine. You could just place the cloves right in the mug and then just strain them out later. I'm just taking the easy way out. And I think this is kind of a cool little contraption. Then you're going to take boiling water and pour it into the cup and let your garlic seep into the water for a little bit of time. Once your water is full of garlicky goodness, whatever that means, you're going to strain out your garlic from the water. The last thing you're going to need is raw honey. Now, the reason we're using raw honey rather than processed honey is because raw honey has enzymes that promote weight loss, and it also helps to burn fat naturally. And you're going to take a half a tablespoon of raw honey and stir it into your tea. And voila, you're ready to drink. Now, what you're supposed to do is drink this tea each morning before you eat anything for the day. And it's supposed to help keep you full as well as naturally help to burn fat. That's what they say. Again, Rob does not equal biologist, whatever you would be called to know about all that stuff. I don't know. Now, I do have to admit that the thought of garlic tea doesn't really appeal to me too much. I mean, garlic and honey sounds a little strange, but I'm gonna suck it up because it's Suck It Up Sunday. I'm gonna try it for you. I can't guarantee that I'm gonna drink this every day. It is so strong. It's like burning my nostrils. Oh, that's not bad actually. It's much better than I thought it was going to be. It tastes like garlic and honey. But it's surprisingly not a bad combination. Ugh, my house definitely smells like an Italian restaurant right now. This is gonna be coming out of my pores later on. That might be the one downfall to this. Just be prepared. Woo, it is strong though. I think it's also really good for your sinuses too. I never breathed better in my life. Now, I do wanna say, just because you're drinking this doesn't mean that you can just eat whatever you want. You do still want to be conscious of the things that you eat. You put good in, you get good out. Doesn't mean that you could drink this and then eat a bag of Snickers. Don't judge me. Anyway, that's my whole tip, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. I don't know what that was. Bye! Ooh, it's hot in here. Maybe it's just me. It smells so bad. Booger check. Anything? Because I know you read me. Do you know some of you bitches timestamp the places where you can see boogers in my nose? That is gross. What the hell's that? Sorry guys, I get easily distracted. I don't know what I'm saying. Blech.